Hello everyone, this video is on IIT Mandi MA Development Studies admission opening. You have to go to this portal PG admission, and from here click on this MA and you will find that the advertisement for admission to MA in Development Studies batch 2026 to 28 in School of Humanities and Social Sciences. This is the starting date of application and that's the closing date, and this is the portal from where you can apply. You can start your application from this portal. Before that, you need to do new registration. After that, you need to do login. Okay, this is the portal from where you have to do the registration first, filling all the information, and after registration you need to log in, and after login the portal and the application form will be opened, and then you need to fill all the details and submit the application form. And the starting date is 13 February 2026. Today is 14 February 2026. So already the application is started from yesterday and it is going on for 1 month. So those who are aspiring for IIT Mandi MA Development Studies program, please go for this, check these details and fill the application form before the closing date. So this is the starting date, 13/2/2026 12 AM, means it is started from yesterday, and the ending date is 12/3/2026 5:30 PM, means it will be ended on March next month, 12th March 2026. That is the closing date. So fill up the application form before this time and do it earlier, because when the closing date will come near, then you may face a little bit problem on the website for glitches, and there may be a rush of filling form. So the right time is start earlier, and if you start earlier, then you will submit the application form earlier also without any glitch or any technical issues. And even if you face any technical issues, you will have enough time to solve the issues by contacting the technicians of the from the website and contact them, and yes, you will have enough time for it. So this is the advertisement for admission to MA in Development Studies. This PDF, follow before applying, read this PDF well to know the informations first. So this is the link basically, which is in pink color. Tap on that link to reach on the portal of application. There you need to do first registration, then login, then you will see the application form. This is the eligibility criteria for application. So if you have bachelor degree of 3 years or 4 years, BA, BSc, BTech, BE or equivalent, and after 10+2 from equivalent schooling from a recognized university or institute with at least 55% marks, means 6.0 CGPA, then you are eligible. And those who are on the final year, applicants awaiting final results in the qualifying exam are also eligible to apply. For those candidates, you are eligible to appear for the admission test, and if you are selected by the admission test and process, then you will have to submit the last semester mark sheet within the given time from the administration. So there is no worry about it. They will give you enough time to submit that mark sheet and the certificates, etc. all. This is the mode of selection. The list of shortlisted candidates will be notified on the IIT Mandi website. So you will not have any personal letter or email to know your position or selection or shortlisting information. You personally have to check the website time to time frequently to know the updates. This is the admission process, which is written test and or interview. Means there can be only written test and only written interview, or there can be both written test and interview. So this is the starting date again, 13 February 2026, and this is the closing date, 12th March 2026, 5:30 p.m. This is the application fee, and mode of payment is obviously online, and this is non-refundable. Application fee is non-refundable. And if you have any other queries, you can email them to this email ID for further information. Other queries, online application related issues, if you want to need any help, technical help, this is the email ID, helpdesk@iitmandi.ac.in. And this is the details of uniqueness of the MA Development Studies program of IIT Mandi. You can read it well here. Like here, it is multidisciplinary approach, foregrounding issues and challenges of development in the Himalayan region, and how this program is beneficial to you or upcoming generation. It is explained here briefly. And after that, when I applied for IIT Mandi previous year on 2025, then the application was started from March and ended on April. This time it is little bit earlier it is happening. This is the general information about the program, regulations, MA program. Here you can find the detailed information about the program, how is the structure, credit system, then how this program is evaluated, and discipline, marks, whatever you need to do, dissertation, etc., eligibility. Everything is explained here in this PDF well. Again, check the starting date and ending date. It will be ended next month, 12th March 2026. If you are aspiring for IIT Mandi, then start to fill the application form earlier to avoid the rush, to avoid technical glitch and other payment related issues. First, you have to do new registration. Here you need to fill all the details, your name, date of birth, email, password, and then register, then login. If you face any problem, technical issues, then email here. Email on this email ID within this time to solve your issues. And after registration, you need to log in, then you will see the application form. Then you need to submit some details. So this video is about this IIT Mandi MA in Development Studies program of 2026 application process. So I'm ending this here. Thank you.